fuck? What's up, YouTube? It's been a while since I made a video from Supreme. I've been getting stuff, but I haven't been unboxing them, mainly because it's been only like one item or two. I know there's only 3 here, but I decided to just make a video. But I do have some old X on the background. Hopefully they're not copyrighted claimed. I've had that done before, so hopefully these aren't copyrighted claimed. That way you can watch and then listen as the songs go by as well. But my first unboxing was this bad boy, and I think that has like 1,000 views, 1,300 views or something like that. So it's very sad that he left, that he died. Try not to get emotional, but let's unbox this. I want to have this short video. Bam! The Black Samurai little pocket knife. Pocket Samurai. Hopefully it's not too loud. Then we got this little... I was gonna surprise you, but never mind. This is the long sleeve bezeled long sleeve or something like that. Bevel, and a red. I like the colorway, white glow, black text, and then a red little top, long sleeve. And you have a stripe on the neck part. And then we do have I have 2 Supreme stickers. I don't know if you can see it through the bag. Then in the box, a box in a box. Literally. Another box logo. And then this is the storage box. I might resell this, I don't know. These were 46, I think. Plus shipping was like 56. These restocked. I believe they're still on the site actually. So if you, by the time this uploads, they might be gone or they might still be there. But that's up to you. And then that's pretty much it. This short ass video. I can't wait for this week's video, fucking drop. This Supreme and Spitfires. I'm definitely gonna get the skate tool to get with my deck, and maybe the coach's jacket, and then maybe some tees as well. I don't know. I have like $200, so that I'll see what that gets me. But thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.